Hi everyone and welcome back to my Lupus diary. This is Disha for you and I hope you guys are doing great. Today we are going to talk about iron deficiency and chronic illnesses, especially in case of diseases, celiac or lupus. You are going to go through a phase of iron deficiency or going to suffer from chronic anemia. Now, this is something that is very relatable to everybody who is suffering from chronic illnesses. So before we begin the vlog and before I can give you some tips and tips and show you some easy way out to increase your hemoglobin, please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon down there so that we can always stay connected. And yes, I would love you guys press that bell icon also over there so that you get notified every time I come up with a new vlog. So let's begin with a new topic. So today we are discussing iron deficiency. Yes, it is very common thing for normal people also these days to have and suffer from iron deficiency. But when it comes to chronic illnesses like lupus or celiac, it is a major shortfall and it is a very major issue because you are going to have low hemoglobin levels with lupus uh, because of the amount of medications and you know the suffering that you're going through, the diet and everything. Apart from that, with celiac especially, if I have to say, celiac patients, it is worse because there is least amount of nutrition absorption that is possible in case of celiac patients when it comes to absorption of nutrients I like vitamins, minerals or iron for that matter. And most of the times when you can just deal with the situation and just live on a gluten-free diet, it is not that simple because such problems like iron deficiency makes you feel more tired, more miserable condition. Uh, because that is the point where you are not going to have any energies left with you. Now, what can we do for it is what I really wanted to discuss in this particular vlog. Apart from that, first let us understand what happens when you have low hemoglobin. So when you have low hemoglobin, basically what is hemoglobin? We need to understand that. Now, hemoglobin in the cell actually help circulate the oxygen to the whole body, right? So if you have low hemoglobin, the amount of oxygen circulation in the body will be decreased and it will be slower than normal. So what happens is that if you have low iron and low hemoglobin levels in your body, then because there's a slow process of oxygen circulation in the body, it is going to make you feel breathless, give you more fatigue than a normal lupus patient would feel with good hemoglobin level, or or a celiac patient would do much better if they have good hemoglobin levels, right? But if you have low hemoglobin levels, it will be harder for you to sustain and do as much work as possible, not because of the chronic illness, but also because you have a deficiency of iron, right? Now, what can we do? There are few things that my doctors has suggested me. One is obviously you can take medications to improve your hemoglobin. You can increase your folic acid in your diet. You can have oral folic acid tablets. You can have iron supplements. You can also increase in uh, you know having more carrot and beet juice. And as I say so, I feel saying it as well, because with low hemoglobin levels as of now, in my own case, I know when this vlog gets uploaded, my husband is going to come and shout on me that, dude, are you drinking your juices on time? Because I don't see that change. Yes, that happens. That happens because most of the times when you're trying to improve your body and you're suffering from more than one or two chronic illnesses, it becomes harder to match up and cope up with every single aspect and every single ailment. Yes. So in my case, most of the times I do try to have like moringa sticks. We get drumsticks, right? So moringa sticks, you can boil and have them, and they are really good for your iron growth. It is going to pump up your hemoglobin to a good extent, and that is a real nice way, and that's what my gynae actually told me. But another thing you can do is have a lot of carrot juice, a lot of beetroot juice, and that can also help you pump up your hemoglobin levels. This is what is a normal thing that you can do. You can also have pomegranate juice, which is a really good hemoglobin buster. It's going to give you a lot of iron. It's going to pump up your hemoglobin to a good extent. And you should actually try pomegranate juice. I would vouch for that. And I like it more than, having beetroot juice or carrot juice. But yes, apart from that, one more thing is that in the end, if nothing works for you, then you need to go for IV iron. Yes, you have to get iron through intravenous. Iron is something that is mandatory in the end. If you are still not able to absorb iron and you are have just dropping your hemoglobin as the months go or as the days go, and because it's not safe to have low hemoglobin levels, because you need your oxygen to reach every part of your body, especially your brain, all the time, regularly, without any disturbances. And yes, this is the talk. This is all for this is talk. I really want to just let you guys know, with low hemoglobin does not mean that you cannot work, but yes, you're going to get more tired, you're going to feel more fatigue even without doing anything. So it is not only lupus playing part, only celiac playing part. It might just be the level of nutrition or level of hemoglobin or your B12 that is going down and messing up with the whole system. Check your levels always on a very regular basis, because that is very important. You should at least get your blood works done every few months, at least 1 month or 2 months. You should always get your blood work done and get your levels sorted if they are needed to. And that way you can function better, live a better life with all the chronic illnesses, and just sustain and have a good life ahead. And that is all for today's vlog. I hope you like the vlog. I hope the tips that I gave you work for you somewhere in life. And I'll see you next time in another vlog. Until then, this is Bisha signing off. Bye bye, guys. Take care.